Hey, it's Kelly, and today I'm going to give away a member and non-member girl account for Fantage. And I'm really going to give you my real password and username. And I'm kind of nervous because I don't want anybody to abandon me or anything. And please don't, because it's really hard to give your account away and then have someone ban you and waste your time saying this and giving away your password and having no need to use it anymore and people just banning you. And yeah. So my first account that was non-member is a non-member. The username is Amanda2222242. So Amanda22225. And the password is 1234567. And the member account is the one I'm really scared to give away because I love this account and I don't want it to get banned or anything. But please don't change my password. And it's Selena Gomez 9110. And the password is member 12. And thanks for watching the show. Please post and don't ban me. Thank you. Bye.